Okay, hey guys. Today you're going to see one of my.
Hey, what? I'm not doing anything.
You're going to see one. You're going to need these three. You're going to need black, red,
Or pink.
or red or green. It's
Okay.
red. It's red, Luigi's.
Oh.
Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna draw some grass. Because I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw a simple flower. Grass, 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 grass. There we go. So now I'm going to draw this, this. Don't question what I'm drawing.
Well, that's pretty flower.
And I'm going to color it in. Make sure you guys have green, red, and black. Okay, I'm going to do that. You know, Luigi, do you know what I need the black for?
What?
I'm going to show you after I'm done coloring in the leaves. Okay, I'm done with the green for now. And now I'm going to need... Wait, can you pass me the yellow? Oh, there you go. Now I'm going to need black. And I'm going to make a little circle. Are you guys watching? Make sure. Because if you don't watch, you won't know how to draw a flower. But if you're like old enough, you're gonna know how to draw a flower. So don't watch this if you're like old enough. If you like know how to draw a flower. Okay. Now color it in with the yellow. I forgot. You also need yellow. There we go. Don't need the yellow anymore. Now you're gonna need black again. Petals. And now you're gonna need the red. It's the final thing that you need. The red. Yeah, that's my uncle. He's just lawn in the ground. He's just lawn in our backyard. I'm posting this on my mom's account because I'm 6 and my YouTube channel won't let me post anything because I'm too young. And there you go. That's how you draw a flower. Bye guys. Subscribe if you liked it.